Okay, so today we're going to be continuing on from our lesson. So last week we were learning about fractions, and so today we're going to be doing a word problem to show you guys, how you can apply these things to real life. So, Tiffany, you want to read the problem?
Heidi is buying a winter coat. She finds one that costs $60 and is on sale, so the price is reduced by 20%. Heidi has a $5 coupon, which she uses. How much does Heidi pay?
Okay. So word problems are about finding the details you need to solve the problem, right? So, Stephanie, what do you think the main question of the problem is?
How much does Heidi pay?
Right. And so let's start. Can one of you tell me, so the first thing we should look for are the related numbers, right? So can one of you tell me one number that we have to make use of?
60.
60? Thanks. Okay. Are there any other numbers?
20%.
Nice. Thanks, Sheila. Anything else?
She has a $5 coupon.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay, nice. So we'll just put those here, right? So we have $60, 20%, and $5 coupon. Now, we're gonna have to, so those are the numbers we're using. And so now we have to work on the operations that we're going to think of. Do you guys remember what operations mean? It's okay. So operations are like the simple mathematical formulas. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and for our cases, right? So what do you think we're going to need to do for this problem?
We have to use subtraction.
Okay. So subtraction. Is that it?
Division?
Division? Where?
I guess it could be like division or multiplication.
Mm-hmm. For what?
For the 20%.
Nice. Yeah. So I think in this case we'll go with multiplication. But you're right. It can be the same as division too. Okay. So now we'll work on the solution. So this is a little bit of a two-step problem, right? So we have to start with where should we start? Let's start with the first number. So we start off with 60, right? And then how we know that 60 gets reduced or bigger?
Reduced.
By how much?
20%.
Nice. So how do we reduce this by 20%? Do you remember from your lesson last week?
Multiply it.
5. By 20%? Okay.
No.
What do you multiply it by?
100 minus
Nice. Okay. Well, actually, Steph, you're almost correctly right. So you do 100 minus 20. But then we also have to divide this by 100 again. That's why it's called percent. Percent means by 100. Alright? And so, does anybody want to quickly tell me? Does anyone? So what's 100 divided minus 20?
80.
Nice. That's 80. I'll move it down here. And that's 100. And this is 60, right? So there's a lot of zeros, right? So we can get rid of these to make our math easier. And now we're left with 6. And now we're left with 6, 8, and 10. Oops, I think I did something wrong. Oh, right. So now we have 6, 8, and 1. Okay. So what's 6 times 8?
48.
Nice. Okay, so this 48 is the new price, right? Is that all Heidi has to pay?
No.
What's the next step?
The $5 coupon.
Okay, and the $5 coupon does what?
You subtract it from 48.
Nice. That's upside down. And 48 minus 5 is?
33.
Nice. And that's our final answer. I apologize. Yeah, good job, guys. So to summarize, first thing you do in a word problem is look for the numbers you need to use, define the operations you need to use, and then work through your solution slowly. So we're gonna learn a little chant to help you remember this. So repeat after me. It's okay
It's okay.
to take it slow,
Take it slow.
read through carefully,
Read through carefully
so you know.
so you know.
Find the numbers
Find the
you
numbers
need to use,
you need to use.
then find the operations
Find the operations
you should choose.
you should choose.
Don't skip steps.
Don't skip steps.
Be slow and steady.
Be slow and steady.
Follow this advice,
Follow this advice
and you'll be ready.
and you'll be ready.
Okay, nice.